Are you feeling distressed and don't know what to do because your belly fat is too big and you don't change it? The glossy ads persuade you that your belly fat is directly related to stress and that they have miraculous pills that will help you lose belly fat without you having to spend a lot of effort. Did those clever marketing tactics make you know that you can get rid of that stubborn belly fat by investing in their breakthrough muscle-building machines? The belly fat layer not only makes you become unattractive, but it is not beneficial to your health. And you are aware of this and try to do something to improve it, right? So, what you need to do now is, let's face it. You have tried many ways and still do not achieve the goal of reducing your belly fat. You also know that even if you follow the other advertising tricks, that stubborn belly fat still exists. So now it's time for you to stop damaging your body. This is your body, your health, so you need to protect it from the worst. What to do to reduce belly fat? First of all, take a look at the facts of reducing belly fat. Reality 1, there is a fact that I need to affirm to you that relieving stress to reduce belly fat is really effective. The belly fat layer will not be easily lost if you feel frustrated, tired and always stressed every day. Relieve daily stress to both keep your health better, reduce belly fat more effectively. However, you will never reduce belly fat by doing countless muscle exercises every day. If doing so is effective, most people will not have belly fat class, right? So never believe in muscle exercises and those expensive machines. Reality 2, the fashionable and expensive abdominal exercise machines will not eliminate all the belly fat in your body. Most abdominal muscles on the market focus on a partial reduction. However, they use advertising techniques to try to show that all consumers need is to use the most modern abdominal muscles and they will get solid abdominal muscles. Reality 3, slimming drugs and other miracles that reduce belly fat quickly will not have the effect of removing belly fat. Many marketing companies always use and propagate the latest scientific evidence so they can use it as scientific facts to create unreasonable statements to influence psychology. Consumer purchases, including you. Reality 4, accelerated diet by stage is the worst abdomen slimming scandal. Temporary abstinence will only make you more desperate. They cause restraint and lack of nutrients, causing your muscles to shrink, reducing the rate of bones and water in your body. And finally, they will completely destroy your metabolism. So what to do to reduce stubborn belly fat? I know what you are thinking at this point and now I know you are completely depressed. But don't worry, I will show you how to get rid of the obnoxious belly fat. Follow this guide, you will begin to notice that your abdomen is reduced in size and belly fat will slowly dissolve. When the fat dissolves properly, it is less likely to return. The purpose of reducing this belly fat is to reduce it, control it, and then maintain the inherent waste. I can guarantee that you will achieve what you expect most. The amount of belly fat you will constantly lose, you will maintain your abdominal muscles toned for a long time and even forever. The cravings will also disappear, your health will increase and you can see it clearly through each stage. But there is one thing you need to keep in mind, this is not a quick result overnight, so you need to be persistent with it. 5 effective belly slimming principles. Principle number 1, detoxify the body. Studies have shown that a body that is purified of impurities will function better than a body with too many toxins. Cleaning your intestines is the first step to good health. And to be able to do that, in addition to specialized detoxification measures, the most important thing is that you need to have a safe diet menu to make sure not to put toxins into your body. Principle number 2, eat clean food. This principle requires you to eat foods of natural origin, which means eating clean organic foods. Eat a small meal regularly after every 3 hours. Decrease amount of carbs mixed at the end of the day. Small meals will help purify toxins in the body, allowing maximum utilization of nutrients, and it will also increase your metabolic rate. Rule number 3, drink plenty of water. Sometimes you don't pay much attention to drinking water because you think it doesn't matter. So, you were really wrong. Not only is water extremely necessary in removing toxins, it also helps to receive the amount of trans fat and eliminate it from your body. Drinking lots of water will help reduce your belly fat in a more sequential, safe and continuous manner. Principle number 4, combine exercise. Abdominal fat loss should also be combined with effective exercise. Taking 20 to 30 minutes of high-intensity exercise about 2 to 3 times a week is enough to speed up your metabolic rate and burn your fat. Principle number 5: practice extra abdominal exercises. When you have a stronger abdominal muscle, you will see and feel better, your physique improves, and alleviates lower back pain. You can practice different forms of muscle exercises 4 times a week without having to use any expensive tools or exercise machines. Conclusion on how to reduce belly fat: the crux of how to get rid of belly fat is not by investing money in fancy body tools, expensive drugs, or forcing ourselves to be hungry, but by nourishing the body, purifying impurities with safe weight loss menus with fresh and clean foods, combined with proper exercise. Implementing these principles today, you will get a perfect body with the ant waistline. Moreover, you will be able to lose belly fat for a long time, and do not worry, belly fat will return. So now you have a great way to get your stubborn belly fat off. Be persistent in doing it to get the perfect body you expect. Good luck.